Hello and welcome to Ideas and Trends. Have you already planned your summer vacation? If you are going to a beach, you will have the perfect chance to gather some seashells for your next DIY home decor projects. Oh yes, seashells can be an awesome choice of material for creative and easy home decor crafts such as a front door wreath or a small work of art. Don't forget to gather some from the beaches that you visit, or if you are diving, even better. You can use them to make some truly awesome DIY seashell decor for your home. Welcome to a new collection of DIY projects in which we have featured more than 100 seashell decor ideas you can make this summer. The image that you have made part of this collection showcase unique and creative DIY ideas that you can easily craft by yourself. You can buy seashells, even artificial ones, to achieve a similar effect. But for the best result, you should gather some by yourself. This way, your decor will have a story to tell. Take a look at the ideas that we have found and save some that you want to do over the summer. All of them come together with step by step. Summer is just around the corner, and if you are anything like me, one of your favorite things to do on a warm summer day is go to the beach. The soft white sand, the turquoise water, and the seashells that you find along the coastline are all a part of a visit to the beach. Unfortunately, not everyone lives near the shore, so if you want to make your home feel like a cottage by the beach, you can take some of the seashells that you collected during your beach vacation and create your amazing DIY shell projects that your guests will enjoy. You can make a picture frame out of seashells, make shells into a planter for your succulents this summer, to create a wind chime out of them if you like. The DIY shell project ideas that you can make are virtually endless. This guide is designed to help you come up with ideas that you can use to create new decor in your home using the seashells that you acquire at the beach. Choose one or more of the ideas that I have put on in this video and make it part of your beach-inspired decor in your home. Beach season is open, and how is it better to decorate your home for the shell? There is nothing better than bringing breath of the ocean home, decorating it with seashells, urchins, and starfish. But most of us just put them all into bowls and decorate coffee tables or mantels with them. That's why we have decided to round up original ideas of decorating with seashells. We hope that these picks will help you to make your home decor much more original and make it feel like the sea, especially if you're missing it now a lot. A basket tray with a lot of seashells, starfishes, and corals is a nice decoration or centerpiece if you need. A boat filled with seashells and starfish is a nice decoration for any sea space. A cool gallery wall with seashells, starfish, corals, and other sea stuff for a coastal entryway. A large candle lantern with beach sand, starfish, and seashells, plus a large candle to decorate indoors or outdoors. A large lamp with a neutral shade and lots of seashells covering the base look with very coastal and seaside. A large mirror fully clad with seashells, corals, and sea urchins is a cool idea for a coastal or beach bathroom. A pendant lamp of seashells and jute is a catchy and bold idea for a coastal space. A pretty beach display with seashells and corals in jars and clutches, plus blue bottles and a wicker basket. A pretty rope wreath with starfish, seashells, and various bowls looks very coastal or beachy. A tall glass with beach sand, seashells, and some grass for decorating your console table. A tall vase and a bottle with beach sand and seashells plus a candle on top are a nice decoration or centerpiece. An oyster shell bookend is a cool idea to highlight in your beachy decor, and you can easily DIY it. In this video, we have shown you many more ideas, so watch the video carefully and put some of them in your mind to decor your home in the next summer. If you like the ideas, then like the video, share the video, and also subscribe our channel. Thank you.